8:20 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Canada. Winds at 60 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicator. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees.
Locations include Oakwood Hills, Fox River Grove, Carpentersville, Valley View, McCullen Lake, Algonquin, Lily Lake, West Dundee, Hampton Hills, Ridgel, Burlington, Holiday Hills, McHenry, Hampshire, Ridgefield, Portland, East Dundee, Lake Lure, Cary, Johnsburg, Elgin, South Elgin, Kissimmee Highlands, Hunley, and Island Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. A tornado watch also is in effect until 10 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois.